Hey guys, I'm making this video per request of somebody on YouTube. They want to know how to remove inner tie rods that have no flat spots on them to get a crescent wrench or anything on them. This is an inner tie rod remover tool right here. See, it's got 3 big set screws in it, and it's just hollow all the way through. You can put your 1/2-inch breaker bar or ratchet on that side. This does not have a part number on it. I've had it for a long time. I've used it a lot of times. You can see it's a little beat up around the edges. So you slip this over the inner tie rod. So the shaft of the inner tie rod goes down there. Then your inner tie rod is all smooth there, right? So you set it over the smooth spot and you tighten the set screws here. There's the Allen that came with it. I always just, when I'm done with it, put the Allen back inside there. You just tighten it down on those set screws and it locks onto the inner tie rod, and then you can turn it off. And then if your replacement still doesn't have flat spots, you can go like this. You set it in and tighten her up. That's the tool right there, and this diameter works for almost all inner tie rods. There is a bigger size tool. This is the basic one that fits most of them. There are some inner tie rods that are huge on that circular part with no flat spots, and so you'll need a different one for that, a special one. But this one covers almost all the inner tie rod tools. It's a big enough diameter. It covers most of the inner tie rods. There you go. That's how you use that guy. You could probably find it online. Just look at the pictures, or part stores. A lot of part stores, maybe Harbor Freight will have them. That's the tool you need, and it looks like you could make it really easy yourself with some exhaust pipe and some welding if you're into that. All right, thanks for watching.